Dear friends, gardening is a wonderful hobby that can inspire creativity and bring a sense of peace and tranquility to our lives. Whether you are an experienced gardener or just starting out, there are many sources of inspiration that can help you create a beautiful and thriving garden. One source of inspiration is nature itself. Take a walk in the woods or along a beach, and you will see a diverse range of plants and colors that can be incorporated into your garden design. Look at how plants grow in their natural habitats and try to replicate these conditions in your own garden. By using native plants and creating a naturalistic design, you can create a beautiful and sustainable garden that blends in with the surrounding landscape. Another source of inspiration is art and design. Look at paintings, sculpture, and architecture for ideas on color, texture, and form. By incorporating these elements into your garden design, you can create a unique and visually stunning space that reflects your personal style and taste. So, travel can also be a great source of inspiration for your garden. Visiting botanical garden, public parks, and private garden around the world can give you ideas on new plant combinations and garden style. Take note of the plants that thrive in different climates and use this knowledge to create a garden that is both beautiful and practical. Finally, the internet is an endless source of inspiration for gardeners. Websites, blogs, and social media platforms are filled with beautiful photos and tips on gardening techniques. Join online gardening communities and connect with other gardeners to share ideas and get advice on how to create your dream garden. So, in conclusion, there are many sources of inspiration for gardeners, and by exploring nature, art, design, travel, and the internet, you can create a garden that is beautiful, sustainable, and uniquely your own. Whether you have a small balcony or a large backyard, gardening is a wonderful way to express your creativity and connect with nature. So, dear friends, if you like our ideas, click the like button and subscribe our channel.